Hi everyone, welcome to programming school. Today also I come up with one program and I'm going to explain the scenario and I'm going to write the code for this. Okay, and today is a Sunday and Disha is out for the shopping. She has reached to the famous market of the city. She has to list of items of which she wants to buy, but she has a very low amount of cash today, and no shop accepts any online payment method in the market. Okay, Disha has only D rupees with her and wants to buy N items. Okay, has some D rupees is there and she wants to buy some N items. Okay, there is no payment method in the online. Okay, we have to pay only the in the cash only. She wants to buy as many items possible. She wants to shop in a way such that first she buy one quantity of all the items she wants to buy. Okay, and if the amount of and then she will move to buy second quantity of any item if the rupees is there. If she has some money is there, after buying all the items at one quantity, she is moving to buy for the second quantity. She has some more money is there and she is going for to buy the third time and the next fourth time, like that. Okay, you will give an array which represents the price of the items Disha wants to buy. Okay, for example, if she wants to buy four items giving off 4 to 4625 respectively, and has 49 rupees only, then she will buy in this order: first item, second item, third item and fourth item. If all the items she purchased, that it will cost 17 rupees. Okay, then again she will buy in this order: first item, second item, third item and fourth item. It will cost again 17 rupees. 17 plus 17, 34 rupees, and remaining 15 rupees is there, right? She has the remaining 15 rupees, and she can buy only three items, not the all the items. She is going to be buy only the three items from that. That means 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 items she is going to be by here. The output, what output we have to return here? The how many items she purchased. For example, this is the input. Yeah, this is the input. I am going to explain this input here. 524, 5 and 24. 5 means 5 items and 24 is the amount she has. The amount she has 9, 7 and 2. 9, 7 and 2, right? 9, 7, 2. 4, 8, 9, 7, 2. Okay. Now she is going to be like this, and 5 is the number of items, and these are the item price here, and this is going to be 24. 24 means that is going to be the amount which Disha has. Okay, before, what is my methodology? First of all, I am going to sort this. I am going to sort this 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9. Now she is going to be purchase 2. Okay, this item and this item and this item. The total amount is going to be 9 plus 3, 13. Okay, 13 plus 8, that is going to be 21 rupees, already done. Now she wants to buy this one. This is not possible. Why? Because that is greater than 24. She has only 3 rupees left at this position, right? That's why we cannot buy this one. That's why the output is going to be 4 only. The output is going to be only 4. Okay, that is clear, I think. For example, if it is going to be 50, if it is going to be 50 like this, and she is going to be by 2, 4 like this up to this 21. 21 plus 9, that is going to be 30. At the first purchase 30 it is going to be, and the second purchase again it is going to be start with from 2 to 4. Again it is 9, 13 plus 13 up to this it is going to be 13. That is going to be 43. And 7 rupees left only, but we cannot buy 8 rupees, right? That's why how many items I purchased? For the first time I'm going to purchase all the 5 items, and the second time I'm going to purchase only 3 items. That means only 8 items, 8 is the output. I am going to buy only 8 outputs here. Okay, yeah, that is the program. Now I am going to write the code for this. I simply change to Python 3. Now I am going to write here n is equal to n comma p is equal to map of int comma input of split of. Here there are two values in a single line. The first one is number of elements, and the next value is going to be amount which is Disha has. That's why I'm going to write like this. And the second line I'm going to write the price of the items, right? That's why I'm going to write d is equal to like this. Now I'm going to sort the D here. I'm going to just sort the D here. Okay, that's it. I'm going to sort. After sorting of that, it is going to be sorted in an order here. Now I'm going to make a count. That means I'm going to find that how many items I'm going to count here. That's why I'm going to make one variable. I'm going to take one variable that is going to be I here. Count is for counting the items I'm going to purchase. I is for the iterations. This is going to be the first index, right? This is the first index. Second, like this, right? That's why I'm going to maintain I at this position. I'm going to purchase all the items like this, and if I is going to be crossed 5 here, I is going to be like this. Again, I'm moving I to first position. Okay, again I'm going to move like this. If it is moving the last value, again I have to start at this position. Okay, the same thing I'm going to do with I here. If I is equal to n, that means it is the last value. It is the last value. Just simply I have to change to 0 here. I have to change to 0. That's it. If p is, I'm going to think that if p is greater than less than equal to 0, that means if the p value, that means my amount is going to be less than 0 or 0, I have to stop there and I have to print the count here. I have to print the count, and that is the final answer, right? That's why I'm going to simply break the loop. If it is not like that, just simply I'm going to subtract 50 minus 2, that means 48 rupees, and then minus 4. Every time I'm going to subtract p minus, from p I'm going to minus a d of I value. Every time I'm going to subtract the values, p minus a d of I, and I is equal to I plus 1. I'm moving into the next element. That's why I'm going to take I plus 1. Again, I have to take some count also. Count plus is equal to 1. How many items I'm going to find here? Okay. A small mistake. Yes, I put some syntactical mistake. If I'm going to click on submit, compile and run. Some test cases failed here. The actual output is 4, but I got 5 here. Okay, I will check once. Okay, I will try to. The mistake is at this position. I'm going to print what is p value. Always I'm going to search for this first of all. Just observe here, the value is going to be 2. First of all, I'm going to sort it, right? The sorted way, this is going to be 2. 24 minus 2, that is going to be 22. 22 minus 4, that is going to be 18. 18 minus 7, that is going to be 11. 11 minus 8, that is going to be 3. 3 minus that is going to be minus 6. Yes, this is going to be minus 6, right? Just How many values? One, two, three, four values only. But here it is going to be give. It is going to be give some five here. It is moving again and it is calculating like that. Here I am going to write and p is every time I have to check that if p is less than d of I, there is no need of p is, I am not checking with p is less than equal to 0. There is no need to check here p is less than equal to 0. If p value, that means I have 10 rupees, I have 10 rupees and the item is going to be 15 rupees, I cannot buy, right? That's why here simply there is no need to write less than equal to 0. Just simply I am going to check that. Simply I'm going to check that p is less than d of I is enough here. If the item price is not matched here, just simply it is going to be print the count. That's it. Yes, so first test case, I forget that I have to comment it. And then I'm going to click on this. Yes, sample test case is done. I'm going to click on submit. It is going to be execute for all the test cases like this. Yes, that's it for this video. If you have any doubt on the code, just comment it. Definitely I will reply to you. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thank you guys.